Trade as the preface to Prophethood, a path for the Muslim Ummah. Trade has always been more than just the exchange of goods, it's the foundation of communities, livelihoods, and independence. For the Muslim Ummah, trade holds even deeper significance, for it was through his noble and honest trading practices that Prophet Mohammad, peace be upon him, was first recognized as Sadiq, the truthful, and Amin, the trustworthy. The titles of Sadiq and Amin, bestowed upon him by those he traded with, including prominent figures like Sa'ib bin Qis Makhzumi, became some of the earliest signs of his prophethood. These titles weren't just labels, they were earned through the values he upheld in his business dealings: truthfulness, fairness, and integrity. At its core, trade is the exchange of goods and services for wealth. But wealth is more than just currency. It's the lifeline of a community's economic system, a means of independence and strength. The Quran reminds us of this essential purpose of wealth. The wealth which Allah has made a means for the establishment of your life. Without economic stability, no nation can stand tall, no community can thrive, and no individual can truly be free. This is why, within the Quran, we find a recurring emphasis on spending and sharing wealth for the betterment of society. Today, however, the Muslim Ummah finds itself in a challenging position. As a whole, our communities lack access to essential resources and wealth, with most financial reserves controlled by others. The few within our ranks who do hold wealth often lose sight of its true purpose, blinded by the allure of riches. Rifah, a platform built upon the values of the Quran and the teachings of the Prophet, seeks to address this imbalance. It brings together the affluent members of the Ummah and connects them to their true, collective purpose. Through Rifah, they gain a broader, global vision of trade and life, learning how to make wealth a force for good. Rifah also offers guidance to small business owners, helping them to scale their businesses and become assets for their communities and country. By nurturing these businesses, we can foster a self-sufficient and united community. Through Rifah, we're addressing trade-related challenges and bringing Muslim entrepreneurs together to support each other and work towards collective prosperity. Join Rifah on this journey of transformation. Together, let's revive the true essence of trade within our Ummah and work towards a brighter, united future. It's time we remember the role of wealth in our faith and the responsibilities it brings. Rifah, reviving wealth, reviving community. For more information, visit our website.